Hello friends, as I have told you that we'll discuss joins in RDBMS. So join itself indicates that you are going to join something. So here what we are going to join. Obviously we have tables and we have to deal with the tables. So this is evident that we are going to apply joins when we have two or more than two tables and we are going to join them. For example, if so here there are two tables which we had created uh, last day, and here these two tables are interrelated. How interrelated? See here, this is the primary key and this is the foreign key, and this is taking its reference from the admission table. And if we have the query, like if you want to know the name of the admission number, say 1003, so we have the query like select name from admission where admission number is 1003. So there is no complicacy. This is very simple query, and this query helps you printing or selecting the name on the basis of the admission number. But what if we want to find out admission number 1003 whose name is Namrata Singh, in which class does she study? So it is given by or given by the next table, that is the class table. So here we have to join these two tables to get the output of that query which I am telling you. Means I wanted to print the class as well as the name of the student from these two tables, but the class is in class table and the name is in the admission table. So obvious we have to combine these two tables. So these two tables, if we are going to combine, we'll have to apply cross product. So how to apply cross product? So very simple. In cross product, we'll apply a simple formula. Like, what is the solution of that problem which we have discussed in the previous slide? So this is a cross product where we can apply all those tables which are involved in this operation. Here we have two tables. So if I apply the query like select asterisk from admission and class, so whenever you are going to apply cross product, it means you have to mention all these tables after from. So here you see this is the SQL statement, and from after this statement, after from word, we have to mention all these tables which you are going to join. So this way we are going to join, and this shows the cross product. What happens in this cross product? If you see in the previous slide, we have 3 rows in admission and 3 rows in class. So while applying cross product, all the rows of the class will be mapped on every record of the admission. See here, all these 3 records are mapped on to the one record of the admission table. So 1001, 1001, 1001. So this is the first record of table admission, and here these three records of table class. So these three records are distributed on one record of the admission table. Similarly, these three records again are mapped on the second record of the admission table. Similarly, here all these three records are mapped on the record of the admission. So this way we can get admission comma class means there are three records in admission table and three records in class table. So 3 into 3, it becomes 9. So here there are 9 records in the relation. 3, 3 and 3. So here there are 9 records in the table. So this way we have joined two tables and using the cross product. Okay, but as far as join is concerned, we have many types of joins like initial join, echo join, and self join. These we'll discuss later, but this time we are discussing on the natural join. So natural join, how this appears in our RDBMS. So natural join is basically the formula of join is basically cross product with some condition. Cross product with some condition. Cross product gives 9 records of the relation because there are admission and class in the Cartesian or cross product. So there are 9 records. So what happens when we are going to take the class name of the particular student? So when you are going to join in the natural join, at least one column should be common. The one column should be common, and that too the same name. This is the mandatory condition. If you are going to apply the natural join, then in both the tables, one column should be identical. So in column admission, there was the column admission number. It was the primary key of admission table. And in the second table, admission number is also the column of this table. Here it is working as the foreign key. So if I apply this, select name of what name? Name of the student. This is from admission table. CL name. This is from the class table. From admission comma class, where admission dot admission number is equal to class dot admission number. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to select name and student class, name and student class from these two tables which are involved in Cartesian product, but there is a condition, means Cartesian plus condition, cross product with some condition. So here there is the condition admission dot admission number, means this field of admission table, and here this field of this class table. They should be equal, and this relation, this condition makes the relation of natural join. So as soon as you fire this query, you will get the desired result. You'll get the desired result. How? See here. So as soon as you apply this query, admission number, admission dot admission number is equal to class dot admission number. So here you see the admission number and the class admission number. This record, this comes into existence because this is the record which is matching. Admission number 1001, admission number 1001, admission number 1003, admission number 1003. So here these three records are visible and boxed in blue, and when you apply this command in MySQL, you'll get this same result. So let's go to MySQL and see how it works. So see here, we have to use the database 12th science, and we have the tables like select name from admission semicolon. So these are the records of admission table, and select asterisk from the class. These are the records of class, all the records of class. So here they are. Now I'm going to apply Cartesian or the cross product. So select name comma CL name. CL name means class name. CL name from admission comma class. See here. So there are 9 records. First record, and this is 3 records of table class. Second record, and here there are 3 records of class. Third record, here 3 records of table class. Fourth record and 3 records of table class. So this is the product, the cross product. Now what we wanted? We wanted to display the name and class name. Means if the name is Sunil, in which class he is studying, it should come through the query, and the query after join will be, so join is cross product plus some condition. So I'm going to take name comma class name from admission comma class where, this is important, so condition, so cross product is there and with some condition, so I'm going to give the condition. So admission dot admission number is equal to class dot admission number. See here, this is the output. Neha Sharma 11th, Neeta Kumari 1st, and Preeti 12th. And Sunil Lahari, why Sunil Lahari doesn't appear in this? Because its corresponding record is not in the class. See here, select asterisk from admission. So here there are 4 records. Select asterisk from class. Here there are 3 records. So there is no admission number 1002 in this class table, and that is why only Preeti is getting its class, Neeta is getting its class, and Neha is getting its class. But my query was this. So this query, this condition gives you the feel of natural join, because admission number of admission table and admission number of class table, when involved in equality, or you can say natural join. So this is the solution. This way we can apply the natural join. But what is natural join? This comes in an exam. Then what we have to do? So this is the condition of natural join. So if you apply natural join here, like select name comma class name from admission natural join class. Just a simple statement. You don't have to apply the condition while applying natural join. So this again gives the same result. So this is how you can apply natural join. So this was the condition. So this can be performed to display natural join. And if you do not want to use this, because this is the condition which equalizes the records of two tables. On the basis of the condition, in this condition, all those records of two tables are selected, and this can be accomplished using the natural join. So this is the concept of natural join. Hope you understood the concept, and if you understood, then take some tables and apply cartesian product or the cross product with some condition. And when you apply some conditions, then replace that condition with natural join, and this way I believe you will be able to grasp the concept of the natural join. Hope you like this video, and if you like, to kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification when any new video is uploaded. Thank you and bye bye.